If you have team sharing enabled and your RightCapital account is configured to allow you to collaborate with other advisors or members of your team, there may be times when you want to mark a client in your client list private. In these situations, this can be easily done within the Clients tab of your advisor portal. Choose the client that you wish to mark private from your client list on the left, and then scroll down to the bottom of their Personal Info tab on the right side of the page. Here, you will find two privacy settings, Shared with Teammates and Private. After switching to Private and clicking Save, this client household will no longer be visible to teammates in observer or collaborator roles when they view your client list. Please note that the super administrator of your team will still be able to see clients that are marked private. For more information on team sharing in RightCapital, please feel free to reference the RightCapital Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more details.